If you request for a sweet dance,
if you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can see,
sabi nga nila, ang unang lalaking magmamahal ng tapat at totoo sa isang babae ay ang kanyang ama. And as we witness this momentous celebration, we have here our beautiful bride, Noreen, dancing with his daddy, Desiderio M. Govina. To Noreen, our beautiful bride, I want you to take this moment, enjoy and seize this moment together, because this is one rare chance for a daughter to dance with her father at this momentous celebration of love and commitment. Once more, a very emotional moment for our father and daughter dance. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating napakagandang bride na si Noreen, kasabay ng pagbuhos ng emosyon. To Mr. Desiderio M. Govina, we thank you for this moment. Indeed, this is one rare moment for the both of you. And I want you to enjoy this piece together.
if you ever forget how much you really mean to me, every day I will remind you.
How about a big and sounding applause for our father and daughter dance? Okay, there you go. Thank you so much, Daddy Desiderio. You may now please be seated. Maraming salamat po. At talagang ramdam po natin ang